This is how we open rock stars.
Oh!
Almost.
We're just trying to get the plastic off.
Okay, this is how we open plastic. Paris style. I can smell it.
I can see it. It just leaked on my hand. I think we got it. I think. No.
We can use wine glasses.
No, that's not for us.
I know.
Ah, crap! I hit my hand.
You're like cutting the can.
Okay.
Is this how you normally open it?
No. I would just unscrew it. Now that we've destroyed all remnants. Oh, come on, it's stuck on there. No, that's still not off.
Win.
Okay. Okay, we
Twist it.
group effort. Okay, we got it. We got it.
Kind of looks like medicine.
Kinda does. We're gonna put it in these mini Coke glasses.
Oh, we're gonna take shots?
No, it's just we used the big ones and I don't know where all our other cups are.